In today's episode, let us discuss few problems and concepts based on sequences in series.
A sequence is said to be a progression if its terms numerically increase or numerically decrease continuously as we go from first to last term.
Arithmetic progression. Nth term of an AP is given by Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is called as the first term and D is called as common difference.
If a sequence has n terms, then its nth term is also denoted by L, which indicates the last term. Common difference of a sequence can be 0 or positive or negative. If there are n terms in AP, then mth term from the end is equal to n minus m plus 1th term from the beginning.
Sum of n terms of an AP is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D.
Sum of first n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus Tn, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. The last two expressions are one and the same. Few important notes. For an AP, Tn is always given by Sn minus 1. Common difference of an AP is given by D is equal to S2 minus 2S1. If sum of first n terms of an AP is of the form an square plus bn, then common difference is twice the coefficient of n square, that is 2n. Some properties of AP. If Tn is equal to an plus b, then the series so formed is an AP. If Sn is equal to an square plus bn plus c, then series so formed is also an AP. If each term of a given AP be increased, decreased, multiplied or divided by some non-zero constant number, then resulting series thus obtained will also be in AP. In an AP, sum of terms equidistant from the beginning and end is constant and equal to sum of first and last term. Any term of an AP except the first term is equal to half of the sum of terms equidistant from the term, that is, an is equal to half of a suffix n minus k plus a suffix n plus k for all k less than n. Tn by r power m minus 1.
For a geometric sequence, general term is given by Tr is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. And Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. And S infinity is given by a divided by 1 minus r. This formula we can use only for a sequence which is having infinite geometric terms and where common ratio modulus of r is always less than 1. S infinity, sum of infinite terms of a geometric progression is given by A divided by 1 minus R, where A is the first term and R is the common ratio, and where mod R is always less than 1.
Geometric progression. Mth term of a GP from end is given by Tn by R power m minus 1, where n stands for total number of terms of GP. Sum of n terms of a GP is given by Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R to the power of n by 1 minus R, or you can also write it as A minus R into Tn divided by 1 minus R. Sum of infinite GP is given by A divided by 1 minus R. Some properties of GP. If each term of a GP is multiplied or divided by the same non-zero quantity, then resulting series is also a GP. In a GP, the product of two terms which are at equidistant from first and last is constant and is equal to product of first and last term. If each term of a GP be raised to the same power, then resulting series is also a GP. In a GP, every term except first is GM of its two terms which are equidistant from it. That is, T suffix R is equal to root of T suffix R minus K2 into T suffix R plus K for all K less than R. In a finite GP, if number of terms be odd, then its middle term is the GM of the first and the last term. If the terms of a given GP are chosen at regular intervals, then the new sequence is also a GP. If A1, A2, A3 and so on and B1, B2, B3 are two GPs, then A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3 is also a GP.
Then coming to AM and GM. AM means arithmetic mean and GM means geometric mean. AM of two numbers A and B is given by A plus B by 2. Suppose if A and B are two numbers, then A plus B over 2 will give you AM of two numbers. Similarly, GM of two numbers is given by root of AB. AM of two numbers is A plus B by 2 and GM of two numbers is root of AB. Coming to harmonic progression. Harmonic progression is a progression whose reciprocal terms are in arithmetic progression. HP is not the reciprocal of AP. Harmonic progression is a progression whose reciprocal terms are in AP. Very good example is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8. So 2, 4, 8, 6, 8, they are in AP. Nth term of an HP is given by Tn is equal to 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D, and sum of n terms of an HPK, there is no formula for sum of n terms of HP.
General term or nth term of an HP is given by Tn is equal to 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D.
And coming to the harmonic mean. Harmonic mean of two numbers A and B is given by 2AB divided by A plus B. That is, harmonic mean of same numbers is given by 2AB divided by A plus B. This is about basics of AP, GP and HP. There are so many properties related to AP, GP and HP. We will discuss that later.
relation between AM, GM and HM. If capital A, capital G, capital H are AM, GM, HM respectively between two positive numbers A and B, then capital A is given by A plus B by 2, capital G is given by root AB, capital H is given by 2AB by A plus B. That is, AM is A plus B by 2, GM is root AB, HM is 2AB by A plus B. And always A greater than or equal to G, greater than or equal to H. And of course, G square is always equal to A into H. That is, square of geometric mean of any two numbers is a product of arithmetic mean and harmonic mean.
CHIPS proudly announces admissions for crash course for JEE mains and CET coaching. Classes commence after 2nd PUC and 12th board exams. Crash course for 2nd PUC regular. Classes commence after 1st PUC and 11th board exams. Accommodation assistance provided for outstation candidates. Centers at Kumta, Dandeli and Bangalore.